For a lot of kids, their families at home don't know sign language, and coming back and being able to sign with peers and others is so critical for them. Since spring, we had the school closure, coronavirus, and a lot of struggles in coming back to our school routine and learning. I have 7 students physically in class and 2 virtually. At the beginning of the year, I tried to handle everything all by myself and was completely overwhelmed. Fortunately, we have an amazing team of teachers here at JMS. We were able to collaborate and decide how we could split some of those roles. It has been going really well. It's incredible. We're not dropping anyone. We're not creating any gaps. People are learning, despite the fact that it is a very tough challenge to teach 2 different formats at the same time, but it's been working well. I really try to focus on growth, a growth mindset. And what that means to me is kids oftentimes come into a classroom and say, I can't do this, it's too hard, I don't want to try, I don't want to do this. They struggle. You can see behind me, I've got a little chart here where we talk about our growth mindset. And we talk about things being in color and trying your best and going for it anyway. And it's okay if you make mistakes, whether or not they feel into it or feel confident. And in watching others, I've noticed that the kids are really rolling up their sleeves and getting into it. I try to maintain a very good sense of rapport with parents. I try to really keep them in the loop. I do post a lot of pictures and things like that. We have a class website where we post comments and pictures and explain kind of what we're going over in class. Things are going well. I've got a great level of rapport with my students. They're very engaged, and I love to see how involved they are during class. They're raising their hands. They're not passive and just picking up information. They're very gung-ho in class.